Section 7.2, the law of cosines. This section, we are going to solve the triangle problem where those angles are not right angles by using the law of cosines. Law of cosines, the first case is the case that providing the two sides and one included angle. There are two versions or two options. The first case where the side B and side C are provided with the included angle A. We use the formula A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2 times BC times cosine A. For the case that the side A and side C are included and also the included angle B, we can use them to find the side B by using the B squared equals A squared plus C squared minus 2 times AC times cosine B. In the case that the side A and side B are provided, and also the included angle C, we can use this information to compute the side C by using the formula C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2 times AB times cosine C. Another case that we can use law of cosine in the case that three sides are provided. And we can use that to compute by use one of these options. The first case, the cosine of the A can be computed as B squared plus C squared minus A squared divided by 2 times BC. The second one, we can use to compute the cosine B by using the side A squared plus B squared minus A squared plus C squared minus B squared, all divided by 2AC. The last case, to compute the cosine C by using the A squared plus A squared minus C squared, all divided by A times B. As what I highlighted, the coefficient in the positive side on the numerator are those two terms that you're going to use for the denominator. BC, BC, AC, AC, AB, AB. And then after you set up in this expression, you're going to use an angle A by using the inverse trig function. For example, A going to be the inverse cosine of the quantity from the first option of the formulas. Let's see examples. The first case, we look at the two sides and the included angle provided, or the case of the side angle side or the SAS. For this problem, we have the triangle ABC and angle A is 60 degrees. So I'm going to draw the diagram first. Angle A, 60 degrees. The side A is not known. So we're going to have to find the missing part, which be the side A. Angle B and C are not provided. Those we have to find as well. The side B is 20. The side B equals 20. The side C is 30. As you see, we have two sides and one included angle, or the SAS case. To find these three missing parts, starting with finding A. Put a note here, we're gonna find A using the law of cosine. So to find an angle, the side A squared equals B squared minus, A squared equals B squared plus C squared minus 2 times BC multiplied by the cosine of an angle A. B is 20, so 20 squared, C is 30, 30 squared minus 2 times 20 times 30 and multiply by cosine of 60 degrees. Put in the calculator, you should get A squared as 700. Therefore, the A, which is the square root of 700, in the approximate form as 26.46. So the value A is done. Box it out. Next, let's find an angle C. Using the law of sine, Next, we're gonna find an angle C using the law of sine. At this point, we know the side C, we know the side A, and an angle A. We're gonna set it up as the sine of an angle C equals side C equals sine of an angle A over the side A. Or we can see the sine of an angle C equals C times sine A divided by the side A, which is 30 multiplied by sine of 60 degrees divided by the side A, which is 26.46. And the number comes out to be 0.98188 as 5 decimal places. The sine value is positive. Therefore, the angle C must be in the first quadrant and the second quadrant. To find an angle C, we do the inverse function of 0.98188 and it comes out to be 79.08 degrees. This one is in quadrant number 1. And for quadrant number 2, the C is 180 degrees minus 79.08 degrees, which is the angle 100.92 degrees. So this is the second option or the second solution form. So right now we have two possible C angles. For each one, we can use it to find an angle B by using the relationship that all three angles of the triangle combine to be 180 degrees. So an angle B equals 180 degrees minus angle A, which is 60 degrees, minus 79.08 degrees, and it will come out as 40.02 of 0.92, sorry, 40.92 degrees for one solution. And another one, an angle B is computed as 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is an angle A, minus 100.92 degrees, which turns out to be 19.08 degrees. That would be another solution for an angle B. So in summary, we have two sets of the solutions. The first one, I'm going to write in different colors so we can see it better. So the solution for the first set of the solution, the side A is 26.46 and angle C, let's B first. So B equals 40.92 degrees and angle C is 79.08 degrees. So that's one set. And then another set of the solution, the side A is the same, 26.46, and angle B is 19.08 degrees, and an angle C is 100.92 degrees. So you have two solutions for this triangle problem.